life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling.
Hey guys, it's Krissy and Marie back with another video. Okay guys, I'm back with another video. Another banger. Maybe, I don't know. But I was sitting in my room. I was like, am I gonna record a video today? Am I not? Obviously I need to do something to my hair, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. I took a shower last night and I was like, bump it. Like, I don't normally get my hair wet in the shower. If it happens, it happens. But my hair got wet. So I braided it while I was in the shower. I'm not the best braider. I'm still learning, so please do not judge me. But as you can see in the title, I'm doing a 2-bun tutorial plus a edge tutorial. I had a lot of people comment in my other video that, well, not a lot, I guess a couple people who said I didn't know how to do edges, but I can't help it. I've been blessed with thick hair. I have thick hair, thick edges, all, yes. So I'm not a professional. I do this for my K-babies. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, because me and my K-babies lit, and we lit because we really liked it, period. So I'm going to get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm first going to be showing y'all some of the products that I'm going to be using. My handy dandy spray bottle. Of course, you can get a spray bottle from Dollar Tree, Dollar General for maybe like $1. You can go to Walmart. Walmart may charge you maybe $1 and some change or $2 for it, but mine came from Dollar General. I mean Dollar Tree, or $1. 1.00, just $1, maybe like a little bit of tax. Something else I'm going to be using is my favorite edge control that dang, can't get my words. The only edge control that really works in my hair, and is by this company that's non-sponsored, called She Bomb. They have edge control, the glaze, and like this stick you can use. But it's the only thing that works in my hair, really. Like everything else, my hair curls back up. Another thing I'm going to be using is some Eco Styler. I have 2 different Eco Stylers. This Eco Styler I'm going to use, I don't know, because I don't think I'm going to have enough of this. I just need to get me the big old tub. They got the handle on it, but use this one on my ends, and I mix it with grease. Y'all probably seen this girl use grease in her hair, but honestly, I'm trying to get my hair back to where it was, because when I was younger, my hair used to be to my waist, and as you can see, it's not there anymore. But that's the story for another video if y'all want me to get into that. And the grease that I will be using is Blue Magic. This is not my favorite one. I prefer the coconut oil or the Indian hemp, but I have ran out, and you can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I know Walmart has it, but I think I got it from the beauty supply store for like $3 and some change. That's not bad. And I got my edge brush and all the stuff, but for real, y'all, let's really get into this video because I'm really prolonging time by talking. Water is definitely essential when trying to detangle your hair. Y'all, just a quick tip, never try to detangle your hair while it's dry, because when it's dry it does nothing but cause breakage. So it's best to wet your hair before you detangle it, and start from the ends,
when combing, then work your way up. So I forgot to mention this one product by Aunt Jackie's. It's basically like a detangling moisturizer. It's really good and it smells so good. It's free of sulfate, parabens, you know, all the bad stuff that your hair doesn't need. So I took my twist tie out simply because it just wasn't tight enough.
Bruh.
Boy, if you don't get... And as you can see, y'all, I popped my freaking scrunchie. So I just did the method of, you know, bootlegging it and like wrapping it around the ponytail and wrapping around and then tying it basically, which worked great for me because it was tight enough. some waves though.
already at 401. Can y'all at least get me to, I don't want to push it. I want to say 1,000, but I don't even want to push it like that. That'd be a blessing if I can get to 1,000 subscribers that quick. 400 to 1,000. Can y'all get me to 500, 550, maybe. But y'all please hit that subscribe button, hit it, smack it, turn on your notification bell because me and my camera be lit and we lit because we really like that. Period.
But I won't know what y'all want unless y'all comment what y'all want to see. I do plan to do another video soon. Yeah, I think I cut my hair because okay, anyways. Yeah, and I'm about to take these off. Y'all might think why she got these things hanging from her puffs, but I don't know. I kind of like them. I don't know. I like them because they look kind of cute. The curl didn't want to stay defined, obviously. I don't know. They cute over here though. Because my lighting acting stupid. It's cute right here. But we finna take this off simply because I want y'all to see the outcome. Y'all really need to get some of this. This lip gloss, can y'all see that? This lip gloss is so bomb. It'll make your lips tingle a little bit. That's how you know it's good lip gloss. But we finna take this off. There we go. I'm gonna take this off so y'all can see the. Okay. Y'all, this looks really good. Like, look at my hair. My eyebrows need to be done though, but I'm trying to get them to grow back thick. But this is cute. Yes, ma'am. Edges. Yes. This is cute, y'all. Look at my little curls. Come on, focus. Look. And my skin. My skin and work need to be good. Yes, this looks good, y'all. Good outcome. And them curls, boy. What curl? Y'all think this is 4B or 4A? Because I feel like I have a mixture of both. And I've had people comment and tell me like I got a mixture of both going on. Let me get close so y'all can see it. But yes. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, and share. And thanks you guys so much for watching my video. Be blessed.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my